In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize writing projects in Notion using a template. By the end, you'll have a dedicated workspace for planning stories, tracking progress, and keeping all your writing in one place. Open Notion and go to the Templates gallery. In the search bar, type Writing, Novel, or Writer's Hub, then browse the available templates. Select the one you like and click Use this template or duplicate to add it to your workspace. Once the template is added, customize it by entering your project title, adding a cover image and icon, and updating the sections to match your writing process. Use the built-in pages or databases to organize your chapters, character profiles, plot outlines, research, and world-building notes. Add new pages whenever you need more space for ideas or drafts. As your project grows, update the status of each chapter, add deadlines, and create filtered views to keep track of what you're currently working on. You can also remove sections you don't need and add new ones to fit your workflow. If you can't find a writing template that suits your needs, create your own workspace using databases for chapters, characters, and notes, then customize it as your project develops. That's how to organize writing projects in Notion. Thanks for watching.